Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be resetting the home for the new year. If you've been following for a while, then you know that I love to start the new year with a clean house. So we take all the Christmas decor before New Year's Eve. So I usually start in the entryway because when I decorate, I usually start with the entryway. So here I am putting all the Christmas decor out of the way from the entryway and putting things, in storage. And then I move into moving the garland as well from the dining area. So all the garlands go in one separate container, and also all the picks. So here I'm getting ready to start getting the Christmas tree decor out, and I'm just first putting out this light. And here I'm putting all the crystal stuff, they're not really crystal but acrylic, on the side because those I usually like to wrap them on aluminum foil. You're gonna see that in the video. But here I'm just putting away everything from this tree. This is the formal living room tree. So my hubby was working and I got my brother-in-law to help me take out like the decor from outside. So I was like, hey, come inside, help me out with the big tree. And that's what he's doing here. We're just, taking the top part of the tree out, and then we're just gonna put the tree away. Then I move into the family room. This is the last tree I have to take out. Well, I did take out Jaden's bedroom tree as well, but I didn't record that part. So here I am just putting everything away. The cool thing is that this tree was so minimal that in one little bin, everything fit, and I even have space left. So awesome. My little guy, he's my little helper. He's helping me here put the tree away, and little Kaylin is just swinging around in her little swing. So in between all my cleaning, I have to stop, of course, to feed my little girl. And it was bottle time, so here we are. She likes to, talk and have a little talk. And then I move into cleaning the kitchen, you guys. After I was done with the kitchen bar area, I moved into the island, just decluttering everything, putting things away, washing whatever dishes I had there, and also unloading the dishwasher. Moving into the dining room, I'm gonna go ahead and clean the table really good because after all that Christmas stuff, all that glitter, and then I'm gonna remove the covers so we could wash them. After the holidays, my chairs get really dirty in my furniture. So here you don't see it, but trust me, there have stains from like the kids eating in here. I get so many questions. How do I keep my white furniture white? And this is how. This little machine, you need it in your life. If you don't have one, I'm gonna link it on the description box. So I used Folex to clean all my white furniture, and of course the little Bissell spot cleaner. And here I am just cleaning all this furniture because after the holidays, you guys know that furniture gets really dirty with the kids, just playing around and all of that good stuff. So here we are, and thank goodness I got help because you guys, we started cleaning at 10:30 in the morning and we were done like at 7 o'clock at night. So you already know it was deep cleaning in here, even though you see it like in less than I don't know how many minutes. On Christmas Eve, the kids dropped a bunch of chocolate on the rocks. So here I am, deep cleaning the rock with this machine that washes your rocks. It's super affordable and it does an amazing job. And again, I use Folex to clean the rocks and furniture. Then over here is Denia just mapping the entire house because I was done and it was just a clean slate. So the next day I went ahead and kind of reset some of the home decor, and honestly I wanted very minimal decor, very minimal pop of color. I just wanted things to be very clean and winter inspired type of decor, very cozy. So that's what I did here in the entryway. I kept it very simple. I put some branches in a vase, then I changed all of my pillow covers and added a pop of green in here into the coffee table, my large candle, and just open the book into like a really neutral page. And you guys, work with everything that I had in my home already. So I'll be linking everything down below. I am putting this wood stick in there, and these candle holders are new. They're glass and I got them on Amazon. They come in a set of 6. Unfortunately, I ordered 2 sets and a lot of mine came broken. So I called Amazon to get it replaced because I really like them, and they ended up telling me to keep the ones that I had and discard them. So I throw away the ones that were broken and I'm waiting for the replacement. So here I am just adding these battery operated candles that I also got from Amazon. This looks so cozy at nighttime, you guys. And the candles are remote control, which is a plus. You could set them up in a timer as well. You guys, that was it for today's video. I hope this video gives you some inspiration to reset your home for the new year, and wishing you all a happy 2024. All the best for you and yours. God bless. I will see you all on the next one.